Snail. Let's make a snail. I got 8 inches of 3/8 round. First thing we're going to do is just square it up a bit and put a taper on both sides. One side for the antennas that will split, and the other side for his ass. One more heat probably. This is going to be his antennas. So just put the taper on, we'll split it down the road. Perfect, just like that. And we're going to flip it around. Square up the other side. The other side is actually where we're going to start rolling it up for that hump, that snail's humpback. The longer and thinner you stretch out the back side, the more curls you'll have on the back of the snail. Then for the antennas, got it tapered through this side, a little bit thinner. We're going to curl this up now. Actually, I take that back. We're not going to curl it up right now. We're going to do the antennas first. Split the antennas. I'm going to take it to the porta bandsaw. You can do it on your porta bandsaw, the chisel, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to use the easiest way. So I split the antennas probably 1.5 inches. You can split them make them as long as you want. They're for the little googly eyes. Overall now, they're like 12 inches. We took 8-inch bar stock, turned 12 inches. We're going to split these. Just split these antennas however you like. We're just going to take off the hard edges, round them around a bit. There, we round it off. I'm going to flatten them out. Going to flatten them out like that. I find them easier to hold in my wolf jaw tongs. For now, the part of rolling up the back of it. to get that first one just right. After that, it's a piece of piss. Woo! Getting there. Put as many in as you want. Just gotta leave yourself enough room so when you fold it on back on itself, you'll see. That's it for me. 1, 2, 3. We got it rolled up 3 times. Like I said, the thinner you make that, the more you'd have. Alright, so this is what you should have. A couple curls, some body left, and 2 antennas sticking to the side. Now we're going to fold it just behind right here, back on itself, to give us our tail and our neck. Do right over here, this little jig I got. A little 1/4 inch here. Just to start, it makes it easier than doing it on the anvil. Now I got it started. We'll take it back over to the anvil and just flatten it out. Finish it up on the anvil just by closing it up. Close everything up. We're going to do a little forge welding on that tail to close it up, and then we can stretch it out a little bit. A little borax. By no means do you have to forge weld it up, so it looks good regardless. First heat just to set it. And do that same process again. This time I'm going to move some metal. Just gives the tail a nice little taper, forge weld. So next thing we're going to do is just twist these neck up. It's good enough for me. Now we're going to do his little googly eyes. Pair of pliers. There you go. Your very own little snail. Thanks for watching.